Hello, Derek with Aqua Therapy Tubs here in Phoenix, Arizona. We just finished the bathroom in North Phoenix for a customer. We installed this beautiful two-person walk-in tub for her and she loved it so much she had us redo her whole bathroom. So let me show you how it turned out. So here's our two-person tub for two by Ella. It's a beautiful two-person tub with all the jets that you'd want. We added this window, cut it in for some extra lighting, added a niche over the tub, and then the shower just turned out beautiful. We extended it about 3 feet into the bathroom, added this wall to the ceiling. We cut in this window for some extra lighting also, added a shampoo niche. The floor is just beautiful. We added this shaving niche toward the floor so you can put your foot in there and shave easily. Dual valve for the wall shower and the rain head. This new Woodbridge smooth-sided toilet. And then a new granite top vanity with vessel sink. We even added this closet for some extra storage with a pocket door. So if you need any help with any bathroom safety options, give us a call at 623-225-6330 and we would love to help you.